Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can earn money online on Dailymotion. So first of all, here you can type Dailymotion, and here you can see this is official website dailymotion.com. Here you can also add a keyword become a partner. So that is basically monetization program. Just you can click here sign up to become a partner, and on this page here you can see you need to fill out a form. You can also use sign in with Google option. So I think that is easy for you. Simply click here sign in with Google, and after that here you can see I have multiple emails. So I want to select this one, then click on the continue button, and after that again click here, then click on continue button. Now scroll down and again click on continue button. So guys, here you can see I'm logged in into Dailymotion, and here you can see channel name world business. So you can go in the account settings, and here you can find out username. Now you can easily change username to any other name. Then scroll down, here you can change profile name as well as bio, and also you can select your country. Here you can see from the list, and here you can add profile image. After that you can change personal details and other settings. So now let me go back and show you some other features that you can use. You can simply add videos from here, and you can also create playlists in Dailymotion as you create in YouTube. And here you can see analytics, so that will show real-time tracking and data that you will upload, and it will show real-time performance for your channel. So you can click here become partner, and you can use all the details. Then here you can see third option earning. That is very important step. Just you can go here become a partner, and then click on upgrade to partner, then scroll down, and here you need to accept terms and conditions. Click on the button, then click on got it. So guys, here you can see as we see on YouTube there are many requirements for YouTube channel monetization. So you need to complete 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, but on Dailymotion you don't need anything. Just you can get from all of details from the start. Here you can see you can also add payment methods to accept payment directly in your bank account. So Dailymotion contains millions and billions of viewers in the world, so you can create engaging content and you can earn a lot of money by sitting in